Hi, I'm Joey D, and this is my custom PC home built in an old PowerMac G4 tower from 2001. Inside I have a UHD Blu-ray burner. I'll show you that. There it is. And underneath I have two USB 3 ports, SD and micro SD card readers, USB-C 3.2 port, and the speaker is the original speaker, now with a USB connector and a 2.5 watt amp installed inside the speaker box. And so opening up the tower, inside I've got a Gigabyte Z490M Gaming X motherboard, which has an LGA 1200 socket with an Intel 11th Gen 11600K i5 processor installed, and that's liquid cooled by an NZXT CPU cooler. Had 32 gigabytes of Patriot Viper 3200 MHz DDR4 RAM, and I'm currently using onboard video powered by the processor and facilitated through the motherboard because the plug-in GPUs are super expensive right now, but eventually I'll install a high-end low-profile 16x PCI Express video card from Gigabyte as well. And here is the M.2 slot 1 currently used by my Intel M.2 Wi-Fi card using an M.2 adapter. This slot previously held my M.2 NVMe solid state drive, and this one is the second M.2 slot that originally had a sticker over it that said limited functionality or something like that because it didn't function with the 10th gen Intel processors. But the 11th gen processors enabled it, and it works completely with my NVMe drive now. I chose the NZXT liquid CPU cooler mostly because of the length of the hoses, but I think it works well and has rad lighting effects too. These are two large storage hard drives, and I've got a Corsair ITX power supply that feeds into a custom additional fan box I innovated with an old power supply and a Dremel. It feeds into it and they both blow out the back. And then I've got LED lights I installed that are powered off the Gigabyte motherboard using the onboard software that's simple and actually pretty fun to use. And I'll show you the back here. That's tough to see. You can't really see it. I'll post pictures with better lighting. And I videoed the entire process of building this, and I will be sharing that eventually with everybody, maybe after 10,000 likes or something. And if you wanted to see that build process video, make sure you click like.